Today, a Russian court sentenced 4 Crimean Tatars on fabricated terrorism charges in the so-called Bakhchisarai Hizb ut-Tahrir case. One was sentenced to almost 20 years in prison, while the other 3 received almost a decade each. We have more on the outcome of the case in this report.
My people have never been terrorists. We'll never get used to this. The mother of Rustem Albiltarov, one of those involved in the so-called Bakhchisarai Hizb ut-Tahrir case, is convinced that the Crimean Tatars were illegally convicted. 3 more were sentenced to 9 years in prison. The maximum prison term was given to Enver Mamutov. He was sentenced to 17 years.
They were accused and convicted under 2 articles of the Criminal Code. This is a Hizb ut-Tahrir case and a coup d'etat attempt in the Russian Federation. We will certainly appeal, and it will be considered in the Supreme Court in Moscow.
Lawyers consider the verdict illegal and unlawful, and they're already preparing an appeal. They're just waiting until they receive the written verdict.
It is still unknown when it will be given to us. Maybe it will be sent by mail after 10 days pass.
The representative of the Consulate General of Ukraine in the Russian city of Rostov-on-Don called the sentence a continuation of repressions against Crimeans.
We believe that all those involved in such a cruel sentence will be punished. Ukraine will not leave unanswered such actions.
At the previous court session, Remzi Memetov, Rustem Albiltarov, Enver Mamutov, and Zivri Absetov did not plead guilty. Each of them pointed to the, quote, politically motivated nature of the case. The 4 were detained on May 12, 2016. On that day, Russian security officials searched the houses of the Crimeans, and they were suspected of participating in the organization called Hizb ut-Tahrir, which is recognized as an extremist group in Russia, reported by Inessa Zanina, UATV.